Life and mortality are decided in a split second. Eagles not only hunt, but also face each other in fierce battles. Have you ever witnessed a 1-1 aerial battle between the kings of the sky? When it comes to eagles, we are not only talking about the largest bird in the sky, but also the living symbol of strength, speed, and dominance in the animal world. A fascinating subject often explored in any wild animal documentary. With the eagle's terrifying talons. These are not ordinary talons, but biological weapons with a grip force of up to 400 psi, 10 times stronger than human hands. These sharp curved talons are not only for catching prey, but also for locking onto the target, instantly neutralizing the ability to resist. When the eagle grabs its prey, its talons are like steel pincers, not giving any creature a chance to escape. The eagle's eyes are a wonder of nature. With the ability to see up to 2 miles away, these eyes are 8 times sharper than human eyes. Not only that, they can identify the smallest prey moving on the ground from a height of thousands of feet. This gives the eagle a tactical advantage, selecting targets from afar and planning an attack before its prey even notices them. Their glowing eyes are not only hunting tools, but also a symbol of intelligence and acumen in nature. But perhaps the most amazing feature is the eagle's speed. When diving from high above, they reach speeds of up to 200 Machs, making them a living rocket. It's not just speed, but the combined power of a body designed to break through any barrier. Their powerful wings help them maintain balance and control their flight, while their sharp, curved beak is the ultimate tool for quickly finishing off their prey. All of these features work together to make the eagle a nearly unbeatable predator in the wild. Once an eagle has identified a target, it circles overhead, keeping a safe distance to observe. After analyzing the situation, it swoops down at a terrifying speed, creating a powerful impact that leaves no chance for the prey to fight back. The eagle's attack relies not only on strength, but also on absolute precision, ensuring that each strike is effective. Stunning footage from wild animal documentaries highlights the eagle's prowess as a top predator. From snatching rabbits on grasslands to clutching mountain goats larger than itself, the eagle displays unmatched patience, concentration, and control. Even against predators like wolves or hyenas, its speed and tactics ensure superiority. Unlike lions and leopards, limited to the ground, eagles are masters of 3 dimensions, conquering the air, trees, and land with ease. While lions and leopards rely on stealth or speed, an eagle's single dive is enough to dominate its prey. This adaptability and freedom make the eagle a symbol of power and dominance, captivating viewers in every wild animal documentary. When you look up in the sky and see an eagle circling, you are witnessing one of the most perfect predators nature has ever created. The combination of power, speed, and exquisite strategy makes each eagle's dive not just an act of hunting, but a pinnacle display of animal majesty, a scene often celebrated in any captivating wild animal documentary. In the cold sky of the snowy mountains, where strong winds blow over the steep cliffs, a spectacular scene takes place. 2 eagles dive into each other in a life-and-death fight. Territorial battles are not just instinctive actions, but also a demonstration of the superior strength and skills of this bird of prey. In each confrontation, the eagle not only fights for survival, but also to assert its position as the master of the sky. A moment that truly deserves a place in any wild animal documentary. Territory for eagles is not only a place to live, but also an important survival factor. An ideal territory must provide enough food, nesting space, and safety for the next generation. When sensing a threat, eagles deploy defensive tactics. Battles are not only to protect the territory, but also to compete for mates. Maintaining strong genes in the population. Conflicts also arise from competition for hunting grounds. In places where food resources are scarce, protecting one's own sky is vital. Eagles show no mercy to intruders in their territory. The sight of two eagles diving into each other in the air is both powerful and tense. They soar high to gain the advantage, then dive down at breakneck speed, using the power of their wing flaps to create an overwhelming attack. This is the beginning of fierce battles, where survival instincts and territoriality are tested to the utmost. Eagles are famous for their unique claw-locking tactic. When diving into each other, they use their sharp claws to pin their opponents. When their claws lock, the two begin to roll and fall freely. This is the most dangerous stage, when both try to use their large wings to maintain balance and make their opponents lose control. The wings not only provide stability, but also absorb strong impacts from each other, acting as natural shields. The eagle's tactic relies not only on strength, but also on patience. They spend hours observing, waiting for their opponents to reveal their weaknesses so they can strike decisively. Accurate pecks to the head or neck are often the deciding factor in winning or losing battles. The battle begins when the invader swoops into the nest from above. The male eagle quickly leaves the nest and flies up to meet the battle. The two eagles circle the air, each flapping its wings in the whistling wind. Sharp dives and talon locks send both of them free-falling through the trees, creating a scene that is both terrifying and beautiful. Finally, thanks to strength and determination, the eagle protecting the nest defeats the invader, forcing it to retreat. The chicks in the nest are safe, and the father's perseverance is a clear testament to the power of parental instinct. The territorial battles of eagles are not only a struggle for survival space, but also a symbol of strength and dominance in nature. Each battle is not only a fierce moment, but also a testament to the wonder and cruelty of the wild world. In the vast sky, where the winds sweep across the mountaintops, the eagle continues to assert its invincible position. These dramatic encounters are often the highlight of an animal documentary. Capturing the raw power and majesty of these iconic raptors in their untamed domain. In the sky, the eagle is not only an apex predator, but also a fierce warrior, ready to face any challenge. From hunting down weak prey on the ground to confronting other predators to protect its meal, the eagle always shows patience, precision, and superior strength in every action. A rabbit grazing in the grasslands, unaware that a predator is silently watching from above. The eagle, with its sharp eyes that can see its target from afar, has precisely targeted its target. Using its wingspan of up to 7.5 feet, it circles in the sky without making any sound, patiently waiting for the perfect moment. When the opportunity comes, the eagle curls up and dives like an arrow. At speeds of up to 200 nanometers. The collision is not only an attack, but also a breakthrough. Enough to take down small prey, such as rabbits or squirrels. Eagles are also famous for their daring hunts of mountain goats. The golden eagle, one of the most powerful eagles, can snatch mountain goats weighing up to 66 pounds, twice its own body weight. In documentary footage, when a goat is standing on a precarious cliff, the eagle will swoop down, using its talons with a gripping force of about 400 psi to pin the prey, dragging it off the cliff. And each move is precisely calculated to ensure that the prey has no chance of escape. In the natural world, there is rarely peace for long. Eagles, despite being the masters of the sky, sometimes have to confront other predators to protect their territory or food. One of the most common confrontations is with wolves. When an eagle spots a feast of meat from a wolf hunt, it does not hesitate to swoop down. Using its speed and the element of surprise to claim its share. Studies have noted that eagles often target small wolf packs, where there are only 1 or 2 adult wolves, to minimize the risk of being harmed. With its large wings and elite fighting skills, eagles can force the wolves to retreat or leave some of their food behind. Another dramatic confrontation is between eagles and venomous snakes. In the wild, eagles often hunt snakes such as rattlesnakes or cobras, which have dangerous venom that can fatally harm many other animals. A golden eagle came face to face with a 6.5-foot cobra. Realizing the danger of the lethal venom, the eagle kept its distance, using its wings to distract the snake. After a few minutes of observing and creating an opportunity, the eagle swoops down, using its talons to pin the snake's head down, preventing it from counterattacking. With a powerful pecking force of up to 430 pounds/2, the eagle easily dispatches the snake after just a few precise pecks. Eagles embody the raw beauty and resilience of nature. With a hunting success rate of 20 to 30%, golden eagles rely on unmatched speed, strength, and intelligence to outpace many predators. Whether hunting or defending themselves, these birds demonstrate sheer determination and dominance in the skies. A spectacle that's vividly captured in any wild animal documentary. In the vast and harsh sky, the battles between eagles are not only a display of strength, but also a spectacular moment that demonstrates the fierce survival instinct of these birds of prey. These aerial battles are not only about territory, but sometimes they are also a test of strength for mating rights. Researchers from BirdLife International point out that eagles often use these fights as a way to assert their strength and eliminate weaker opponents. Statistics show that about 70% of aerial battles end when one of the two is forced to retreat before being seriously injured. Eagles' ground battles are no less fierce. Imagine a mother eagle defending her nest, where her chicks are waiting to grow. An intruding eagle tries to take over the nest or prey from that area. Eagles defend territory spanning 2 to 5 miles, winning 60% of ground fights, according to Cornell University. About 70% of clashes end in surrender, while 30% cause serious injuries, often between evenly matched rivals. Older, experienced eagles dominate thanks to their size and skill, ensuring the strongest thrive, a spectacle wildlife filmmakers describe as both thrilling and vital to the ecosystem. Epic eagle fights are a testament to the harshness and wonder of the natural world. Every flap of their wings, every dive, and every strike is the result of millions of years of evolution, making them unstoppable warriors of the skies. These moments not only make us admire the power of eagles, but also remind us of the delicate balance in nature, where only the strongest survive. Perfectly captured in a wild animal documentary. Under the golden sunset, an eagle spreads its wings, soaring high and symbolizing freedom and strength. On a distant cliff, a nest shelters chicks waiting for their parents' return with food. An image reflecting eagles' vital role in the ecosystem. As apex predators, eagles maintain balance in the food chain by controlling populations of rodents and small animals. A pair of bald eagles can consume over 400 rodents annually, protecting crops and stabilizing their habitat. However, eagles face severe threats. Each year, deforestation equivalent to 25 million football fields destroys nesting sites, while illegal hunting and pesticides like DDT continue to endanger them. Although conservation efforts in places like the US have led to recovery, many regions still neglect eagle protection. To safeguard eagles, urgent actions such as reforestation, nesting site protection and public education are essential. Supporting conservation groups and wildlife education programs can make a difference. The sight of an eagle in flight reminds us of nature's beauty and our responsibility to preserve it for future generations. This fierce 1-1 battle between majestic eagles is a rare glimpse into the raw power and determination of nature's kings of the skies. If you enjoy this breathtaking footage, be sure to like and hit the notification bell for more incredible wild animal documentary. Soar into the wild with nature's fiercest creatures.